Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to work on the front crash structure bumper system. Over here on my bench I've got a bunch of little parts, so we're going to install those today. Now these upper bars have an adjustable rod end in them, and they have a slider, which I'll explain to you in a little bit. But I have a bolt go through there, then I have a front cross member that goes across the upper tubes here in the chassis, and that helps stiffen up everything in the front end. Okay, as you can see, I've got some hairpin clips in these two bars and multiple holes. And what that does is, this is the normal installation height of the front bumper assembly right now. And when I get the nose cone and everything on here and the front splitter, of course it's really low to the ground in the front, and it makes it hard to get it in and out of the trailer. So one way we can combat that is by lifting the nose up and down. So to do that, I just pull these clips, and then I can lift the whole front assembly up, put the clip back in, same on this side. And then the whole nose of the car, I'll have to take the hood off to do this, of course, but whole nose and the radiator assembly and everything that's in the front of the car will raise up an inch or inch and a half or two at the front, the very front edge, and that allows me more clearance to get it in and out of the trailer. And when I get to the track, I just take those pins out and I push it back down and put the pins in the new hole. And then of course you also can see that I have a rod end here that's threaded into this tube, this upper sliding tube, and that allows me to fine tune the height of the front bumper, front splitter by lengthening and shortening this rod. Now the radiator sits in this opening, and you can see right here I've got some lower saddles that the radiator sits in. These will be rubber lined. Then I have some upper saddles here. Which simply bolt on like so. And those hold the upper part of the radiator in. There you can see the saddles, upper and lower. So that's it for the front bumper crash structure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.